Hello storyboarders, my name is Eric and today I'm going to show you how to make a circle chart worksheet using one of Storyboard That's pre-made templates. So let's get started. Now first we're going to pick out a circle chart that we like. We got a lot of fun options, but as you may know from previous videos, I love dogs, so let's go with this dog one here. Just click the copy template button below and this will bring us directly into the Storyboard Creator, which will then prompt us to give our template a name. Now you can call yours whatever you like. I'm just going to call mine template 1. And click continue. Alright, now it's time for us to customize our template. This is where we get to add characters, items, update the text, make any changes that we want to. So for my circle chart, I would like to show the day-to-day activities of my dog. So what they do when they wake up, during the day, and when they go to bed. So first I'd like to add a character of myself walking my dog. So let's go up to our characters menu. And let's grab a character. This character sort of looks like me. So all you have to do is drag and drop them into your storyboard. And now we get to customize. This is where we get to update facial expressions, poses, make any changes to the color, whatever it is that we want to do. So here I am. And when you're all done with your character, just click update pose. And there we go. Now you can move your character anywhere you want in the storyboard, as well as resize them. A little big, I'd like them to fit in this box, so let's shrink this down. So all you have to do is drag the corner of the image. And there we go. All right, now next I'd like to have my dog that I'm out walking. Now I have two dogs, but we're only going to focus on one. My miniature schnauzer named Madison. All right, we have our schnauzer right here. So let's drag her down. And just like our character, we're going to resize. All right, there we go. So first thing we do in the morning is we go out for a walk. And then the next thing we do is she gets fed. So let's go and find some food items. So you can browse items up in the items menu and go through all of these great categories. But if there's something specific that you want, you can search the upper right hand search menu. So let's look for dog food. All right, we got a few options. Let's pull down this bowl of food. And let's pull down this bag of kibble as well. Just drag and drop like our characters. And there we go. Now I'm going to change the color of this bag here. So if we go to our right hand menu, we can select these options right here. There we go. Now I'd like the bag of food to be in the background. So let's bring the bowl of food all the way to the front. So just select your item, go to the right hand menu, and bring all the way to the front. There we go. Now next is my dog sleeps all day. So let's make a copy of this dog here. Just go to your right hand menu, click copy, and this makes a duplicate of your item. And let's bring her down, and if we go over to image options, we can select a different pose. And here she is sleeping. Alright, let's stretch this out. That's pretty good. Now, towards the end of the day, when I'm done with work and taking care of all my chores and stuff, I bring her to the park. So let's find a nice park scene. So if we go up to our scenes menu, let's go over to country and rustic. And this park here looks like my park that we go to. Let's just drag and drop this into our scene. All right, and we're going to resize this so it fits in this box in our circle chart. Just like our characters, just drag the corner of the image, and there we go. Now, with your storyboard templates, you can customize and edit any of the other pre-existing elements. Like if I wanted to change this background color, all I have to do is select, and I can change the color in the right-hand menu. But if I wanted to change it completely, all you have to do is delete the pre-existing design, and you can add in your own. You know, I do like this park scene, so let's make another one and have it fill the entire frame and see how that looks. So, just like before, we drag and drop. And instead of stretching it manually, I can go over here and click stretch to fill. And I'm going to go with crop to fill. And this will fill the entire frame without warping anything. When you're all set, just click OK. All right, now we have our scene in place. Let's send this all the way to the back. There we go. Now that is a little busy, so we can go through some filter options to see if we can't tone that down a little bit. Let's make this sepia tone. You can make it grayscale, you can make it pencil, remove the colors. You can add these other nice effects, but I think a sepia tone is going to look nice. Click OK when you're set. Okay, I don't think that's too distracting, but last but not least is text. Now we have our title here, but it's a little hard to read. So let's update our text here. So all you have to do is select the copy you want to change, and let's change this to a day in the life of my dog. And I want to change the color. So let's highlight the text we want to change, and if we go over to our text editor, if we select this drop-down menu on the right side, let's change the text to white. Looks pretty good. And I like to have a more bold font. So let's go to our font options. Let's go with this one right here. That looks pretty good. And let's make that a little bit bigger as well, so we fill the whole space. All right. Now, if you see, it's on 2 lines. Now, just like our characters, we can reposition and move around our text boxes. So let's stretch this out so the text is all on 1 line. Okay, great. And there we go. Let's bring this down a little bit and scooch it to the side. All right. Now, when you're all done with your circle chart, all you have to do is click the orange Save and Exit button that's in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. And that is how you make a circle chart using Storyboard That. Thanks for watching, and happy storyboarding.